Okay, so we're out here getting ready to make some of the first mods to the new truck. The two things we're going to do tonight. One, the front comes with wheel well liners, but for some reason the back didn't. So I got rough country wheel well liners, and then the back of the truck is pretty cool. The auto slow down. Doesn't come with any type of mat. I'm not gonna rhino line it. I'll put a mat down. Eventually I'm gonna put molly panels on the side. So I've got a rough country bed mat. I'm gonna put it in there because I'm fishing this weekend. So let's get this thing installed. I know it doesn't, but this mat literally feels like it weighs about a zillion pounds. And I know once I put it in there, I'm gonna mount it backward. I'll roll it in backwards probably, or upside down. I'll have to flip it up inside. Got my cold steel knife. Awesome little knife. I still haven't sharpened it. I've had it for months. All right. Obviously, I'm gonna put this thing in, and it's gonna look like crap because it's gonna take some time to settle and get flat. It looks like the good news is it's rolled in reverse. So the weight should fix the issues. Yep. Looks like I flipped it for no reason. I'm a little confused. Climb up there. As the dealer told me, it's got the old man steps, which is good because I'm an old man. Smells like tires. Very rubbery. It's very thick. All right, that's in place. Looks pretty good. Like the logos. Now it's just got to settle. Okay, the next step, we're going to install the rough country wheel well liners. Pretty easy install. 5 clips. They're a little bit of a pain in the butt to get to go in, but other than that, pretty simple. Tuck it over the tire. Get it back behind the body. Tuck it back behind like these plastic mud flap areas. And that one's already there. And then you just have 3 across the back and 1 on each side to force into place. Ugh. First one lined up okay. not quite in place. Oh yeah, now we're good. Now we're cooking with grease. That was a lot easier. Maybe I should have kept these on the tire. So, oh. 3. There we go. This one. The worst part's getting the leverage. All right, they're in place. I think it looks 1,000% better already. What do you think?